Let's talk about obstacle avoidance and how these 8 little sensors can create the awareness you need to not crash your drone. These sensors are situated on the bottom, the front, and the back of the drone, which will provide you obstacle avoidance in those areas. These are not omnidirectional. Now what that means is if you're flying to the right and to the left, there's no sensor there to be able to stop the drone from flying or slow it down or to have it avoid an obstacle. This icon here means that all sensors are active. These yellow markers represent the proximity of a drone to an object. When they're on, the drone will slow down. In this situation, I had the throttle all the way up and we were going this slow, which shows that the software is actually doing its job. Now, as you can see, the drone plots its own course through the obstacles using the sensors. Once the sensors turn off and don't detect anything, 100% of the control goes back to the pilot. Different flight modes offer different levels of obstacle avoidance, ranging from no obstacle avoidance in sport mode to full obstacle avoidance in cine mode. So pay attention to which mode you're in and what you need for that specific job.